Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So in this lesson, before we continue on filling out the rest of the weapons script, we're actually going to make a start filling out these 4 scripts, and we'll begin with the pistol one. So first things first, let's come up the top and we'll get our little block of comments in place. And I created this on the 21st, so let's put that date in. So, as always, we're going to begin with putting in all the variables. And again, as we often do, please don't worry if you don't understand what all of them are for. I'll explain it all as normal when we come out to fill out the rest of the script. So with that said, let's begin with a public int. And this one's going to be called damage dealt. And for the pistol, I think I'll give a value of 2. Into the comments, and we'll say assign damage dealt by the pistol, and public float is next, and let's give this a naming convention of underscore next attack timer. We'll close the line off, defines next attack time in the comments, and public float weapon, and we'll just say weapon cooldown. Again, we'll close the line off, defines the weapon, let's say weapon delay between attacks. And we've just got to keep going. So public float underscore reload timer. We'll close the line off. Defines reload time. Public float. Time to use weapon. I may change that name at a later date, but we'll use that for now. And let's get this into the comments. Defines time to be able to use weapon. And we just need to keep going. So this one's going to be of type public, and this time of type static int. And again, please don't worry, I will explain this once we come out to fill out the rest of the functions. And I'll explain why we've made it static at that point. But for now, let's just get the variable in place, and we'll use underscore pistol inventory. And I'll get a value of 60 to begin with. So we'll say defines pistol inventory, and we'll say starting amount. Again, I may change that at a later date, but we'll use that for testing. And we'll say in the next line public int, and we want pistol reload amount. We need no value for that one, and we'll get into the comments. Let's say defines amount to reload by. That will do for now. And we'll say public int underscore maximum pistol clip I'm going to give mine a value of 12. That seems to be a good value for modern handguns. You might be using a 6-shooter model. If so, just change that. But I'm going to use a value of 12 because I'm using a modern automatic pistol model. So I think that's a good amount. So we'll say max bullets pistol can hold. Public, we'll make this of type static as well, and we'll say public static int current pistol clip. Let's give that a value of 0, and we'll just say current bullets in pistol. And yeah, let's keep going. We'll say public, and this time we want a texture 2D underscore pistol icon, close line off, into the comments, assign 2D texture for pistol icon on screen. And again, we'll just keep going. So public int underscore icon size, we'll say icon size X. Let's just give it some values. So I'm going to use 50 for testing, I think. Icon size on X-axis. We'll actually just copy this line and we'll just change it to Y. And the same in the comments. We'll leave the value the same because I'm using a square icon. You may not be doing so. You may need to change these values. As always, you'll want to experiment, find something that works for your project. But we're nearly done. A few more to create, so let's keep going. And this time we want another texture 2D for the crosshair. So we'll say underscore, and yeah, we'll say pistol crosshair, because I think I'll use different crosshairs for different weapons. So yeah, let's say pistol crosshair into the comments. Create slotting inspector to assign the pistol crosshair, and public, and we want to type audio clip underscore gunshot. We'll close the line off, and again we'll get into the comments. Create slotting inspector to assign the gunshot audio. And again, let's just copy this line. Let's make it easier on ourselves. So we'll change this to underscore reload. And let's just say underscore reload audio. We just need to change the comment here. And one final thing. So again, of type public, and this time of type game object with the capital G. Very important. And we'll say underscore, and we want pistol blood hit, and we'll close the line off there. So we'll say create slot in inspector to assign blood hit prefab. And let's save that off there. So in this lesson we've got all the variables in place that we are going to need for the pistol, and in the coming lessons we'll fill out the rest of the script. But as I said, I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. This video's getting quite long now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.